Now, CAF Technical Study Group, as usual, omo ye de bia no. Omo every tournament first round bia. Omo the quality players, omo yades first team players, omo the ball, omo the aba. Now, o share screen this one. Goalkeeper Hassan Hamza, or goalkeeper, Egyptian goalkeeper. Osha, he's been excellent. The judgment, good. The shot stopping. Osha matches on my bonira, Omni Niger. He was excellent. Omni Mali, the same thing. And the Osha goalkeeper is on my so far. The modern ball and Aswini, and that is why he's number one there as a goalkeeper so far. A first from group stage and of Naba. Now Osha right backer. Bukame Osha Bukame Medi. Yeni omono Ghana any Morocco no. Bukame Medi, almost first game against Guinea, no, or ball as right back, but also a solid centre back. The new mono Bukame Medi because or you physical or strong and also intelligent, and the new mono or boy red one highlight like or bench and on the ball as a centre back pair with El Wafi, and you realize Zakaria Wadizi and a ball right back for your game, no. He's very good as a right back. He surges for the full runs, he's good, he recovers very well, he crosses with precision. And no one that said Ono has gotten the nod over Nipan Kamefu Sankare Ahmed Diomande, Mali right back, but way performance was Roka Kracheno. Then for the Dukori, maybe match no so you see how important he is to Mali today. Left back, or you're physical, or strong, and or recover so or Pimo Kakra, then they're difficult so dribble though whilst he's defending. He recovers so well. The problem on crossing by or efficient untimin trino and or calling him or do center line now or mapas on Sabanechi. Very effective defender. Nobody center backer Ibrahim Sisi, and then you watch him, Mali, very calm, very intelligent, good in the air, passes the ball very well, or something very physical. Or no. Any Hussam Abdelmajid, Egyptian Zamalek center back, no boy, very and also very relaxed, calm, or aggressive, or intelligent. He passes the ball very well. 1v1 is good. That is why he's there. Then Uba and Finforma for Shektra Diakite. Mali, young player now, a central midfielder, can play as a defensive midfielder, a good passer of the ball, or a new share so far. Mali has given 2 assists in the competition so far. Very skillful and intelligent. Ono and Ibrahim Mohammed. Now Ibrahim Mohammed, the Egyptian captain, sign number 6. Or a good passer, or a good tackler, good interceptor, and a leadership quality on the football player, or Chrese, or a leader. And Nuntina, or no, or no. Now, Oko, the left winger, 4-2-3-1. My name is supposed to be 4-3-1, or minus 4-3. Now, Oko, you realize that the left wing, of course, Abdel Samad Ezalzuli. Ono de se hodie. Ni hodie Eronesel no. Hodie. Edidia. Eba nyansa. Etwe say the ball by entwin rim cut infield onko bar line or you good. Second first goal no without twin far back or you superb. Or ball he can drop the pick the ball or you brilliant. Solid player. Ishmael Saiberi, PSV boy no. Right, so on there almost stretchy defenders, no. On also far right, on also sa, and on now. Obeon say Yanis Begrawi, talented or a central attacking midfielder, 10 to second striker, or share 2 goals against the no. Or no, ebe ball behind Osama Faisal. Osama Faisal or a striker or a second striker, he can also play as a number 8. Very intelligent, very quick, or a goal poacher or a dribbler, very skillful player. And the technical study group of 11 over there, brilliant. Now, and then Morocco ni Mali. This game, the true test for the Moroccan team,
Omoba
tournament game. Yes. Niye Emma test kakra omone Guinea no. But we never real test. Now the Moroccan team who the way omobo. O show money Guinea. Guineans no on pressure for 68 minutes. They almost struggle to recreate. Especially the midfield. Midfield almost said that almost a good over the wings. And the Ezazuli on the left, Ishmael Sabari on the right. Almost very effective and almost very quick, intelligent, and they switch play brilliantly. because wadam for El Kanusi beba na Ishmael so akọ so omoma defenders ni so bi omotitiwa na omo ba against a sider omo srohwe omo eni eden omo hoden ball so the two form ball in a Malian team. Ibrahim Cisse any Hamdou Diallo omo ye center back bia omo ka de bia no Hamdou Diallo nimso no de fem oye ofa fem omo santi asene ye kama Ibrahim Cisse nimso e basroda ene ame Yanis Begrawi any na Kanut El Kanusi omo they are going to have a real feel of physical and aggressive play from these two center backs. And yeah, they no move from way no pa. Now, Abrantia no ho betre no kakra ne. Ahmed Diomande. Ahmed Diomande will be coming face to face with Ezazuli.
Diomande be brenepa.
Obe brenepa. And na Ishmael Sabari and so any Fode Dukori. Those are going to be the key battle line. The midfield battle will be won by Mali. Abrantia Mamadou Diambu Babak on your record against Egypt. So 2 yellow cards. He's back. And so the midfield of Mali will be Boubacar Traoré, Sako Koli, and Diambu. And that is a very tall order. Almost a very physical, aggressive, almost very quick. Now, Abrantia Ame Richardson on per hard tackle or a midfielder, so that midfielder. Niope hard tackle or no or tackle hard Benjamin Buchirawi, but unfortunately in the game, coach no using or bench your game no bobo against Guinea and your game no Osama Azuzi and a ball on. And so today the battle line will be that midfield control from Mali. Wing play advantage kakra and then wing play now my exhibit so far Morocco for no and then the Beye Juma against physical aggressive Mali for. And then also the Malians have 2 quality players who worry you. Shekna Diabate and then Sekou Doumbia. Omuye very, very intelligent, very quick, and they can score. Both of them can score. And the next game, no, a Bayer very tight. Yes, of course, because of the quality of Morocco so far, slight advantage, but somebody on Bebre Papa. And Mali can also qualify. At this level, and this is going to be a very tight game.
90 minutes.
Possible. This is a very tight game. Because Lansana Diarra, the Malian goalkeeper, is a very good goalkeeper. And Mali, for all Tiomu coach, they are also Munsrohi. And then we are relaxed and they don't fear any. And so far, they are playing wonderful football. And the only problem in the second game, Egypt, and Guinea. Egypt so far, actually, say, the most disciplined and organized team in the tournament. Because they've not considered they go so far. Now, Omo here go now power ye den Ombenya. Osama Faisal, bad boy. Ahmed Otal, bad boy. Adel Rahim, bad boy. The midfield, Egypt, no midfield, no defense, no a solid. Very solid. Because Osha Mamu Sabe Osha go no Emo go Tama Mustafa Samad Bemo ebe man pass Osha the first goal from a corner. No. Then you come to Ahmed Koka and then Mahmoud Geta. Difficult. They play so compact and the center back they support the sides where Mahmoud Koka supporting Hussam Abdel Magid and also Mahmoud El Behrabi. So now they are coming up against the Guinean side. The Guineans will take control of the midfield. They have the best midfield through in the tournament. Well, Ibrahim Fofana, Neoshe go captain or brilliant. Passing. I mean, when it's in transition, to like to what Seydou Bassi is the general, and then Fode Kamara. But in this tournament so far, Guinea say almost consider goals. Share any omo, share almost game omo boy against Morocco. Sure, so they say even the game against the 3-1, almost consider goal. Then unfortunately for them, so almost miss chances. But they are coming up against a team in Egypt. Now, when Suba a real test for the Egyptian team, any Guinea should have buried us by 5 or 6 goals. Especially set piece, almost headers, misdirected. Now, I'm up against defense, AHN defense of my boy in our group. So they create chance by the scoreless. They'll play by Egypt to qualify.
About the way no, yeah, expect Morocco Egypt final.
It is likely either Morocco Egypt final or Morocco Mali final. It's look like, but Egypt to qualify.
Egypt will qualify.
Yes, Egypt to qualify. The challenge, the honors will be on Morocco. Morocco was slight edge over Mali, but Mali boys, because of the way I'm bob on one, you know. So Morocco was slight edge, but they should be careful. Except Omo Modern Bono and deserve a win today, and then no encore referee penalty. No, so they say. So that is the challenge they are going to have. But Egypt, I can tell you, Egypt will qualify. But Morocco also have the better chance of qualifying. But some working for the win because of a friend say the opponent they are playing against. Now Wimbledon. Wimbledon. Novak Djokovic. And One Pedro Katna. Yes, it's not a win. It's not a 3 sets. And you know, but clearly, what you say, where any fee, me no ni fee first one year. Australian Open winning 10 Grand Slam. We are 7 or 8-1. Magado say 8 no beko. And now we are training exercise. We are the center court.
Court we no na say onji bi da ye famba.
David. Center court.
All the ways that you nipa na na bono man advantage.
Oh yes, an opportunity for the world to see. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Send an apero catching yes. And normally for him, watch it. He was relaxed because at the first round match, and to relax, he was not hitting shots very well. His first serve was spot on. He was winning. Second serve return, but on because Emre match is not awesome. And because of your experience, and now most of them are slice shot and backhand. And now he didn't use the forehand mostly because he did it to just win it. Now winning, and this is what he said. Also be sorry. That's on Papa be 1 year scafu. Last 10 years.
On
Luzuwa in the last 10 years, and he's going to win this one. Makato said, "Just say Ebia were probably big catastrophe." And I said, "Retractable roof no. We any idea catastrophe no. This is a bugu no so." Makato circumstance. Obeji 8-1 because one person equal Roger Federer record. Now person next year the most successful grass court winner.
Or do any there 2 years.
Oh, Smaka. Or Makato was G22.
Yeah.
Makato was G22 with we. And I make a near Bema just say be at 2 year champ KCBC. And also NC. Obeji.
Mante, Baba Fiena and Wabi Din Komobi.